TradingView is an amazing platform, but let's clear up a common misunderstanding right off the bat. TradingView is a tool, not a broker. You don't execute trades directly on the charts for real money and then profit. You use TradingView for its superior charting, analysis tools, and indicators to decide what to trade, and then you place that trade with a separate broker. However, there are two significant, legitimate ways you absolutely can make money directly from the platform itself, turning your analytical skills into income. The first way is by becoming a successful script developer. TradingView's proprietary PineScript language lets you code custom indicators and strategies. If you develop a powerful, unique, or highly useful tool, you can publish it and offer access through a paid subscription model. Traders who want an edge are often willing to pay a monthly fee to use exclusive, high-performance indicators. The second method is by becoming a respected published author and analyst. TradingView has a massive, active social network. By consistently sharing high-quality, insightful, and accurate analysis on various markets, you build a large following. This following is valuable. You can then leverage your reputation and traffic to promote external paid services, such as a subscription-based newsletter, an online trading course, or a specialized signal service. The key is consistent, genuine value creation that establishes you as an authority. So, while TradingView itself doesn't cut you a check for profitable trades, it is a fantastic engine for creating, packaging, and selling your trading expertise.